Hello students, today you will study about electrophilic substitution reactions of aniline. This is the last compound of nitrogen containing organic compound. Electrophilic substitution reaction includes 5 different types of chemical reactions, that is halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. All these 5 reactions are collectively known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction is the characteristic reaction of benzene ring in aromatic compounds. In case of aniline, the structure of aniline is written as benzene ring substituted with NH2 group. This is aniline. In this compound, NH2 group acts as ortho, para, directing and activating group towards electrophilic substitution reaction. In this group, nitrogen contains lone pair of electron, and this lone pair electron is in conjugation with double bond, means pi bond or pi electron. That is why delocalization of lone pair takes place throughout the benzene ring, just like this. This is delocalization of lone pair of nitrogen atom throughout benzene ring. Next structure is in this structure, nitrogen atom requires positive charge and ortho and para positions of the benzene ring with respect to NH2 group requires negative charge. These are the resonating structure of aniline. And its equivalent structure, that is resonance hybrid, can be represented as this is equivalent structure of all the resonating structure and known as resonance hybrid. In the different resonating structures and resonance hybrid of aniline, electron density increases at ortho and para positions. That is why an electrophile attacks at ortho and para position with respect to NH2 group in case of aniline. This is the directive effect and activating effect of NH2 group in case of aniline. In case of aniline, NH2 group acts as ortho-para directing and activating group towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Halogenation, nitration and sulfonation in case of aniline mainly occurs at ortho and para position due to ortho-para Now one by one discuss different electrophilic substitution reactions of NAD. First of all, halogenation. Halogenation. Halogenation means reaction of chlorine or bromine with NAD is called halogenation of NAD. When NAD is treated with bromine water, when NAD is treated with bromine water, a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, numbering start from NH2 group. This is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. This product is obtained since benzene ring as well as bromine atom, means bromine and benzene both are water having in nature. That is why NH2 group is unable to form hydrogen bonding, or hydrogen bonding breaks due to presence of this larger group, and 2,4,6 tribromoaniline precipitated as a white product, white precipitate. This is a white precipitate, and this test can be used to distinguish NAD from other compounds. Now, in order to prepare mono substituted derivatives of NAD, activation effect of NH2 group can be reduced by acetylation. Since NH2 group is highly activating group, that is why electrophilic substitution occurs at all the ortho and para positions, and tri-substituted derivatives of NAD is obtained. In order to get mono substitution derivative, it is necessary to reduce the activating effect of NH2 group, and this can be done by acetylation, because activating effect of NHCOCH3 group is less than that of NH2 group. If bromination is carried out just after the protection of NH2 group by acetyl group, only mono substitution products are obtained, and acetylation, that is protection of NH2 group, can be carried out with the help of acetylation reaction, means reaction of NAD with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. This is NAD. When it reacts with acetyl chloride, or you can say acetyl chloride, in acetyl chloride, NH2 attacks on carbonyl carbon. As a result, this becomes negative, and when it returns back with the loss of chloride and hydrogen atom from this position, then by the loss of HCl, we get NaCO CH3. This is called acetanilide. What is this? Acetanilide. Formation of acetanilide by the reaction of aniline with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. If we take acetic anhydride, loss of acetic acid molecule takes place, and same product, that is acetanilide, is obtained. In this case, acetyl group, this group is electron withdrawing group. This is electron withdrawing group. Due to this nature, lone pair present at nitrogen atom shifts towards acyl group. Means acetylation decreases the activity of or activation effect of NH2 group towards electrophilic substitution reaction. And also, due to presence of larger group, steric factor also responsible for the less possibility of ortho attack. Due to these two factors, means reduced activity of NH2 group by acetylation and steric effect, para products are major product in case of electrophilic substitution reaction, and ortho products are minor product. If bromination of acetanilide is carried out, then what will happen? Now, bromination gives mainly para product, although ortho product is also formed, but ortho product is minor product and para product is major product. Ortho product is minor product, while para product is major product. Why ortho product is minor product? This is due to decreased activity of NH2 group and steric effect of acyl group. Now, acetyl group may be removed. The acetyl group may be removed by hydrolysis to get back the aniline group. On hydrolysis, this is hydrolysis, gives CH3COOH and para bromo aniline is obtained as a major product. This is major product. Direct bromination of aniline gives 2,4,6-tribromoaniline, while on protecting the NH2 group by acetyl group, para-bromoaniline is obtained as a major product, while ortho-bromoaniline as a minor product. This is bromination of aniline. Now we come to discuss nitration of aniline. Nitration means reaction of concentrated nitric acid with an organic compound in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Direct nitration of aniline gives all types of products, means ortho nitroaniline, para nitroaniline, as well as meta nitroaniline. If you carry out direct nitration of aniline, this is aniline. When aniline is treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then ortho, para and meta substitution products are obtained. Means ortho nitroaniline, para nitroaniline and meta nitroaniline. These products are obtained from aniline by direct nitration. This is only 2%. This is 51% and this is 47%. Formation of meta nitroaniline is due to the formation of anilinium ion in strong acidic medium. Under strong acidic medium or under strong acidic condition, aniline gets protonated to form anilinium ion having NH3 group, NH3 positive group, which is deactivating and metadirecting. Under strong acidic condition, since nitric acid is strong acid than sulfuric acid or strong oxidizing agent than sulfuric acid, that is why in strong acidic condition aniline undergoes protonation. Aniline plus proton gives anilinium ion. This is anilinium ion. Anilinium ion becomes metadirecting in nature due to formation of anilinium ion. In this case, formation of meta nitroaniline is also possible. That is 47% meta nitroaniline, 51% para nitroaniline and only 2% ortho nitroaniline is obtained by direct nitration of aniline. In order to get mono substitution derivative of aniline, means only mono nitro derivative of aniline, acetylation means protection of NH2 group is required, and this can be carried out by acetylation. This is aniline. When it reacts with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, it forms acid aniline. This is acid aniline. In this way, NH2 group gets protected. This process is known as protection of NH2 group. Now, the nitration concentrate HNO3, concentrate H2SO4 gives NaCOCH3 NO2 as a major product. Formation of ortho product is also possible, but due to steric effect and deactivating nature of NH2 group, para isomer is minor product, while ortho isomer is minor product, while para isomer is major product. This is major product. Just after hydrolysis, CH3 COOH removes, means this style group removes, and we get para-nitroaniline. Para-nitroaniline of it. Now come to sulfonation of aniline. Sulfonation means reaction of concentrated sulfuric acid with organic compound is called sulfonation. Sulfonation is of aniline is not very easy. It occurs only in drastic conditions at high temperature. And major product obtained is known as sulfonilic acid. Sulfonilic acid is the major product in case of sulfonation of aniline. And how to prepare sulfonilic acid? This is sulfonation. Sulfonation of aniline. Sulfonation means the reaction of concentrated sulfuric acid with aniline, in this case, plus H2SO4. It gives NH SO4 negative, aluminum hydrogen sulfate. This is aluminum hydrogen sulfate. Aluminum hydrogen sulfate means where aniline reacts with direct sulfuric acid gives aluminum hydrogen sulfate, which on heating at 455 to 475 Kelvin at 4 to 5 days, for 4 to 5 days, it gives sulfonilic acid. NH2 SO3H. This is called sulfonilic acid. What is this? This is sulfonilic acid. Sulfonilic acid. This is very important organic compound. Sulfonilic acid, very important compound. And this compound is used in the manufacture of dyes and sulfur drugs. Dyes and sulfur drugs can be manufactured with the help of sulfonilic acid or its derivatives. Since in this compound, sulfonilic acid, SO3H group is strong acidic group and H2 group is basic group. Both the groups are present in the same compound. That is why it occurs in the form of internal salt, means deuter ion. This is deuter ion of sulfonilic acid. What is deuter ion? Internal salt, means deuter ion is a dipolar ion and is also known as internal salt. Sulfonilic acid exists in the form of deuter ion. Why? Because of the presence of acidic ion like basic group in the same compound. Just like sulfonylic acid, amino acids also occur in the form of butyl ion, because in case of amino acids, carboxyl group and amine group, both group are present in the same compound. That is why amino acid also exists in the form of butyl ion. Now, sulfonation of aniline just after protection of NH2 group. NH2 group is protected by acetylation. This is NH2 group of aniline plus CH3, CO, Cl or CH3, CO, O, CO, CH3. This is acetic anhydride and this is acetyl chloride. Any of the substance can be used as a protective group. Then we get acetanilide, NaCO, CH3, either by the loss of HCl or by the loss of CH3, COO. This is acetanilide. Now, sulfonation is carried out in presence of acid or base. Then para substituted derivative of aniline is obtained. SO3H, and just after hydrolysis it gives free sulfonamic acid. So direct and indirect sulfonation is possible in case of aniline. However, sulfonation of aniline is not easier just like nitric acid. Now come to Friedel-Crafts reaction of aniline. Since Friedel-Crafts reaction is carried out in presence of Lewis acids, this is aniline, which is a Lewis base. Due to presence of lone pair, it is a Lewis base, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation. Both the reactions are carried out in presence of anhydrous ammonium chloride or any of the Lewis acid. Then this Lewis acid, anhydrous AlCl3, which is a Lewis acid, forms a salt salt means Lewis acid react with Lewis acid react with Lewis base to form a salt. As a result, Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation is not possible in case of aniline. Means aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions due to formation of this salt. Now some important questions related to nitrogen containing compounds. First question is, how will you distinguish between aniline and dimethylamine, ethylamine and acetamide, methylamine and dimethylamine, aniline and ethylamine? For this question, you can refer different chemical tests like carbylamine test or isocyanide test, Lieberman's nitroso test and Hinsberg's test used for the distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary amine, aliphatic and aromatic amines. Next question, second question is, how do you convert ethylamine to methylamine, methylamine to ethylamine, acetic acid to methylamine, acetaldehyde to ethylamine, nitrobenzene to benzene diazonium chloride and aniline to an azodine? For this question, most of the name reactions are helpful. Most of the name reactions like carbylamine reaction, reduction of nitro group, diazotization and coupling reactions can help you, and these two reactions are related to ascending and descending of series, which can be explained in the next video. Next question, third question is, arrange the following increasing order of basic strength aniline and methylamine and benzylamine, ethylamine, methylamine, dimethylamine and aniline. Next, decreasing order of basic strength in gas phase. These amines and ammonia can be arranged in the increasing or decreasing order in gas phase. Decreasing order of solubility in water. For this question, you can prefer basic character of amines. Under the heading basic character of amine, you can find all the answers. And next question and last question is, fourth question, write short notes on ortho effect and protection of anisotrope. This is all about nitrogen containing compounds. From next video, you will study about interconvergence of organic compounds, group convergence, and ascending and descending of series. That's all.